Hi class. So we are going to be using Google Hangouts and Google Meet for our classroom meetings and discussions that I have every day at 1 p.m. And since Hangouts tends to only show one person on the screen at a time, it can be a little hard to watch. So I have found a workaround. So if you're on, this only works for a computer. So if you're on a laptop, Chromebook, a MacBook, it should work. So when you're in Google Chrome, so when you open up in the Chrome browser, I'm going to make this look. See, here's Chrome. This is the one you want. When you open that up, okay, over here you have a little tab and it says apps. You want to go into apps, and all the way down to the bottom they have this web store. Now it's store, and yes, there are things that you can buy, but we're not going to buy anything. This is free. And in the store, you're going to look for Google Meet Grid View. So this is what we're looking for. Google Meet Grid View, and hit enter. And this is what you're looking for. It looks like 4 little squares. Okay. And yours is going to say add to Chrome because I've already added mine to Chrome. So it just wants me to rate it. Okay. You're going to add it to Chrome and you're going to have to say yes when asked to see things. What's going to happen is up here in the little corner, do you see how we have this little grid view? Okay. You're going to see that, and that's how you know that it has added into Chrome. And so what happens then is when you go into a Google Hangout, so I'm going to go to my extension in Google. So now I've gone into my Google Meet, as you can see by my face. And up here, you see people, and here's the chat. But look right here. Here is this grid view. And so when there are a bunch of you on there, I can click on the grid view, and it will put everybody in their own box on the screen. Okay? And if I just want to see whoever's talking, I can take it off of grid view, and I can click back on. So that will pop up whenever you use Google Hangouts or Google Meet, now that you have that extension. So if you have a laptop or even a desktop, you know, the old ones with the big box thing, this will work. If you're working through Chrome, then this is how you're going to use this. Okay, so add the extension Google Meet Grid View, and it'll make our classroom meetings a lot better. All right, have a good afternoon.